Hello, KiCad is used by many engineers worldwide, right? So there are several features of KiCad which can be explored by the engineers. So when we create a project in KiCad, what we generally do, we go to File, New Project, and then you try to save the project and use it, right? So that's the normal way that you create a project. It creates a blank project and then you start building the project. Like for example, let us assume we are building a board similar to some of the existing boards in the market. Like for example, Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno, or any other STM based board or whatever. So in that case, there is something called new project from template. Okay, so there are several templates already defined, and you can see when we click on it, and if you go to the template, you can see there are many boards that are defined in the template. Like you already have Arduino based boards, BeagleBone, Raspberry Pi, popular Raspberry Pi STM32, and TI Launchpad kind of templates. So how to use this is basically when you click on Arduino Shield, you can see the dimensions of the board in the PCB are already defined. You know, right? The board has little irregular shapes and all, so you need not even bother about the outline of the board and also the placement of the connectors. The Arduino has fixed connectors, right? So they are already placed. So and then if you go down and when you say okay, let us assume some trial project. Okay, let us save this. Okay, now if you see here in the schematic, already the connectors are integrated. Okay, that means some of the work that you have to do or the signal mapping that we have to do is already done. And then let us try to close this, and then let us go to the PCB. So even in the PCB, you see the outline of the board is defined, and then you already have the connectors placed, and then the location of USB Type B connector, ICSP header, and also the power jack. And then the mounting holes. All these are predefined. So that means you are using a ready-made template of a particular board, and you are ready to. It becomes easy for you to build the board, right? Such a useful feature. This they call it. Uh, New project from the template in the main menu. Okay, so that means the existing templates can be used and worked upon. So this is useful if you are building the same Arduino board, and then you want to practice, or you want to design a new Arduino board, low cost Arduino board on your own, whatever you want to do. So a very good option, right? So some of the other tools also uh, provide the support of creating from the template. KiCad has this feature which can be used.